Do you want to know everything there is to know about the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's break it down. So Pixel 5 will have a body that's 100% recycled aluminium and will come in two colors, just black and sort of sage. Not a big fan of the names, but the colors themselves do look pretty nice. Now on the front, you do have a 6-inch 1080p OLED with some 90Hz drizzled on top and some Gorilla Glass 6 to protect it. However, there is no under-display fingerprint scanner here. Instead, we get a rear-mounted scanner that's making a return on a flagship Pixel, which is nice to see. Powering all of this will be the Snapdragon 765G, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which I know isn't exactly flagship material, but it's still definitely very capable. On the back, we get two cameras, a 12MP main sensor and a 16MP ultra-wide. Yes, boys, finally, it's about time we have an ultra-wide on a Pixel and it's gonna be amazing. Like, genuinely, I am so glad that Google has finally given us an ultra-wide and I can't wait to see the amazing shots it produces. Anyways, the front camera is going to be a modest 8MP and video should be 1080p 60 on the front and 4K 60 on the back. Battery-wise, you're getting a 4000 mAh battery with an 18-watt charger in the box to top it up, but you do also get wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which is really nice to see. Other goodies include IP68, stereo speakers, 3 microphones, and 5G, of course. In terms of price, it should be £600 or $699 in the UK and US respectively, and if you want to pre-order it, you can do so today, and release should be on October the 13th. So the Pixel 4a 5G is pretty similar to the Pixel 5 for the most part, but it does have a few key differences. So you're getting a slightly bigger 6.2-inch display, a smaller 3800 mAh battery, a polycarbonate body like the Pixel 4a, which means no wireless charging, but thankfully you do get a headphone jack, which I know some people will be very happy about. In terms of price, the Pixel 4a 5G will be £499, which is considerably cheaper than the Pixel 5. But unfortunately, it's not all good news because while you can pre-order it today with the Pixel 5, it won't ship till November the 19th. That's a long way. Oh, and also, much like the Pixel 4a, this will only be coming in just black, so if you want a funky colour, you've got to pay up for the Pixel 5. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, it would be appreciated, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya, peeps.